In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method in Squarespace. Whether you're updating your payment method, switching to a new provider, or simply reviewing your payment settings, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to do it with ease. Squarespace makes it simple to manage your payment preferences, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. If you're using the Continue with Google option, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that's associated with your Squarespace account. This is important to avoid any confusion and ensure you're accessing the right account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Squarespace dashboard from here. Click on your website. Now, if you manage multiple sites, take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the correct one, the one you want to update the payment settings for. This step is crucial, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or businesses. Next, look to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click on Settings. This will open up a variety of options for managing your site. From there, navigate to the Selling tab. This is where Squarespace keeps all the tools and settings related to transactions and sales. Whether you're running an online store or simply handling payments for services, this section is key to managing your financial operations. Now, within the Selling section, click on Payments. This is the area where you can control how you manage your financial transactions. It's also where you'll be able to add, update, or change your payment methods. Squarespace has designed this section to make managing payments as straightforward as possible. From here, you'll see options to choose your preferred online payment method. Select the one that works best for your needs, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, or another supported provider. Once you've made your choice, follow the prompts to sign in and connect your payment method to your site. Squarespace will guide you through the authorization process to ensure everything is securely linked. Now, just in case you run into any pop-ups or additional verification steps, don't worry. These are just part of the secure connection process. Make sure to complete all steps to finalize the setup. And that's it. You've successfully updated your payment method in Squarespace. You can now confidently manage financial transactions on your site, knowing everything is set up correctly. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start building your website today. So now you know exactly how to change your payment method in Squarespace. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.